Imagine waking up, and the ground beneath you isn't one planet anymore. Earth has just split into two massive worlds, drifting apart, tearing continents open, and rewriting physics in real time. This isn't a crack, it's a cosmic amputation. And humanity? We are trapped between two newborn planets fighting for survival. The first seconds are pure chaos. A blinding red fracture slices across the globe, stretching from pole to pole. Skyscrapers tilt. Oceans rush into the rupture. The ground vibrates like a dying engine. And then, with a sound deeper than thunder, the entire planet rips in half. Two colossal hemispheres break loose, drifting away like slow-moving titans. Gravity collapses, reforms, and snaps back again, making buildings float for seconds, then slam back down. Millions are thrown into the air. Rivers spill upward. Time itself feels broken. But the real nightmare begins when both halves start forming their own gravity centers. Each new world becomes a twisted, incomplete sphere, one holding most of the land, the other dragging away the oceans like a giant blue orb. Coastlines vanish, cities collapse, mountains crumble into dust. Within minutes, Earth's magnetic field shatters into two unstable, flickering shields. Auroras explode across the sky like neon storms. Radiation floods the cracks between the planets, and the atmosphere begins pouring from one world to the other like a leaking balloon. People on the land Earth watch as the ocean Earth slowly drifts away, a massive blue globe rising into the sky like a second moon. Tsunamis roar, storms intensify, and the space between both worlds becomes a deadly vacuum corridor, a place where air escapes and lightning arcs into the abyss. Civilization collapses in real time. Air travel? Impossible. Satellites? Torn apart by dual gravity wells. Electric grids? Fried instantly. But humanity adapts fast. Engineers realize something terrifying. As the two half-planets drift farther apart, their gravity begins to stabilize. And in the middle, a narrow region forms where the pull of both worlds perfectly balances. The gravity bridge, a silent, floating pathway of rocks, dust, and debris, stretching between two planets like a natural space highway. For the first time, humans could physically travel between worlds. Without rockets, scientists rush to build stations on the bridge, giant platforms suspended between two skies. And from there, they study the newborn planets. Land Earth, heavier gravity, scorching heat, violent storms. Ocean Earth, cooler, darker, covered in endless global sea. Two planets, two climates, two futures for humanity. But there's a final twist. As the worlds drift hundreds of kilometers apart, their orbits around the sun begin to diverge. Seasons collapse, years change length, and soon, the two Earths no longer share the same night sky. Humanity becomes a split species, two civilizations, two histories, each looking across space at the world they used to call home. And one haunting question echoes across both skies. If Earth can split once, what's stopping it from splitting again?